In this video, I will show how to make addition 3-digit numbers in Microsoft Word. So, click on Insert, then Equation. Now here select Fraction. Select this first fraction. Now enter your required number. Make enter. Now keep cursor here. Enter the plus icon. Here 3 dot, space 3 dot, space and 3 dot, and click anyway. Like this, you can make addition 3-digit numbers in Word document. Thanks for watching.